I'm Chris Toogood. I'm Senior Vice President of Global Marketing. I'm also proud to say this is Teradata's 40th anniversary this year. As we look at this space, we see this idea of the data drives everything around us, but what we don't see a lot of is how people are actually leveraging it, putting it into operations and enabling it at scale. And part of the challenge we see is that we're in this space of exponential digitization. The accidental ecosystem starts to happen because people have specific needs that they're trying to solve, but at the same time, it's causing significant issues as you start to duplicate data across the enterprise. You get this concept that Oliver introduced in the Sentient Enterprise of data drift. And as you're moving data from one environment to another, you start to get into, well, who has the right information? And then it becomes very difficult to really operationalize it across the enterprise. And that fundamentally has driven this investment in the analytics industry. It's a $200 billion industry with no end in sight. Teradata's point of view is, now is the time. We went to market with a very strong point of view about stop buying point solutions trying to solve a bigger problem. The time has come to invest in answers. And the solution and the difference that Teradata brings to enable this core foundation around investing in answers is that we deliver answers for companies around the world. And we do it at massive scale. We do it anywhere, across multiple deployment types, and anytime where people can have access to information across the environment. And we call this pervasive data intelligence. And the pervasive side of this is all about leveraging 100% of the relevant data to really drive real-time intelligence at scale. But it's also about ensuring that the broader organization has access to data that is pervasive, that fundamentally is frictionless, that is always on. And so this is our new standard for the industry, delivering pervasive data intelligence. And this strategy is absolutely working. We went to market around this strategy of Teradata everywhere, empowering people to deploy our solution across any deployment options, whether it's on premises on our optimized hardware, or whether it's on premises on commodity hardware, or if they wanted to deploy in the cloud. We have our own Teradata cloud, but you can deploy on AWS and Azure. And you can now deploy as a service across all of those different frameworks and infrastructure. Teradata Vantage is software, and that software can be deployed across any of these different deployment options. And it is the exact same code that we deploy across the cloud, across our optimized infrastructure, or across commodity infrastructure. And Vantage itself really brings together the best of what kind of data warehousing and data management was with the best in analytics into a single platform. It enables all the best-in-class functions and engines, and it enables the tools and languages that different personas inside the enterprise want to leverage. So it's not just SQL anymore. And the beauty of Teradata Vantage, it is built on an agile core. So everything within Teradata Vantage gives you the linear scalability, the mission critical availability, all the query performance and advanced indexing and workload management and all the core capabilities that you've come to know and love about Teradata, all of those attributes continue forward with Teradata Vantage. And what Teradata Vantage enables is really now this end-to-end analytic process, all the way from being able to discover data, to prepare data, to create different models, socialize those, deploy them, monitor them, and measure the impact of them, and do this in a very fast and iterative type of flow as part of our analytic process. So what is it that we do? What is our offering? We really deliver the software, technology, and expertise to really bring pervasive data intelligence to life. And we do this through powerful, flexible software and services around giving our customers answers. Our purpose is really about transforming how businesses work and people live through the power of data, and we do that every day. As individuals, we dig deep and aim high to deliver core capabilities to our customers. We raise up our customers and our world by enabling them with data and analytics to do their focus a lot better, and then we rise as one. I mean, the great thing about Teradata is we are laser focused on data and analytics, and that's what we do every single day of the week.